Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error 0x8096002A during file extraction on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error 0x8096002A, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the command prompt. Click on the search menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type the command dism space /online space /cleanup -image space / restore health. You have to type restore health continuously. After typing this, just hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, you have to type the second command, that is sfc space /scan now. After completion of this, just hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix error 0x8096002A during file extraction error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.